How's it going, everyone? Wi-Fi family, we're going to open up a booster pack today. We're going to go ahead and use our coin flip method. Go ahead, Wi-Fi Mango, Wi-Fi Lychee. See who gets to choose.
I'm going to get even. Odd.
Yeah.
Ah! Okay, that doesn't
Alright,
count.
yeah, try to aim for somewhere around here.
My one.
I got it.
Right there.
Just aim for somewhere around here, please.
One.
Just flick yours, and then she'll flick hers.
1, 2, 3, flip it. Like you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, flip it. Oh my god, let me try again.
Yeah, you have to. Hey, no, you don't get to try again. That's your flip. You're a cheater.
Oh!
Who said?
Odd.
You said odd, right?
Yeah,
Okay, then Wi-Fi Lychee gets to choose.
It's already a cat. What? How does that stay flipped over? You're like...
Alright, so one of Wi-Fi Pineapple's friends asked me why we do that thing where we take it off and we flick off the card, the code card, right? The reason why we don't want to show the code card and what color it is, right, is because it can give away spoilers of what type of pack it is. If it's something with a good hit, it'll usually be a different color than the normal less hit packs. Alright, and then we flip the 3 to the front because if you were to put it face down, the 4th card is always going to be an energy for Chilling Reign. Alrighty? Okay. Let's see. What does it say? Path to the Peak. Flaffy. Chest plate. Task form. Hatena. Aaron. Or Aaron. Ralts. Venipede. Reverse Clara. Oh, Zebstrika. And what do you think it's gonna be?
Darkness.
3, 2, 1, boom!
Ah!
Wow, you still got it wrong.
I suck at this.
Yeah, you do.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I feel so bad.
Why?
Because I didn't get anything good.
Did it start? Okay, what do we want to say?
Hello everybody, it's Wi-Fi people, it's Wi-Fi family here. Wi-Fi Pineapple, Wi-Fi.
You guys gotta look at the camera.
Wi-Fi Lychee and Wi-Fi Mango.
Are you guys gonna look at the camera?
And let's get started.
Hi friend. Hello? 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 Hello?
Good boy.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Hi. Hey everybody. Hey. Hey. Hi.
Hello everybody, it's Wi-Fi parent here. It's Wi-Fi family. Wi-Fi Lychee.
I'm Wi-Fi Pineapple.
Wi-Fi Pineapple, Wi-Fi Lychee, Wi-Fi Mango, and we're gonna be opening a booster pack from booster pack. Then let's get started.
It's almost pretty good.
When do I go?
Whenever you want.
Hi guys, it's Wi-Fi family back here. We're going to open a booster pack from the booster box. You're supposed to say our names. It's just a regular day. We only open the other things when it's a special day.
You don't have to say that. Just tell them what we're doing. All you're doing is explaining what we are doing.
Oh, let me try again. Hi guys, it's Wi-Fi family here. We have Wi-Fi Pineapple, Wi-Fi Mango, and Wi-Fi Lychee. And we're going to open a booster pack from the booster box. Let's get right into it. And we gotta see what cards we get.
Hey everyone, this is Wi-Fi family. This is Wi-Fi Pineapple.
This is Wi-Fi Mango here. Wi-Fi Lychee.
Oh, word. Alright, let's kick this off. Where's